everyone, my name is Arish. In today's video we're gonna learn about India, railways and sea routes, and there are gonna be 7 slides, so let's begin. Did you know the Indian Railways is the largest rail network in Asia and the world's second largest organization with over 15 lakh employees work under one management. Cargo ship. Cargo being loaded onto the ship at a seaport. Ferry Queen Express. The oldest steam engine in the world, Ferry Queen Express, runs between Delhi and Alwar. Metro Railway. Recently, a metro railway was inaugurated in Chennai. Electrical engine. An electrical engine of the Indian Railways. Cruise. A ship cruise, which carries passengers from one place to another by sea. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, click the notification bell, share this video with your family members, and I'll see you in the next one.